I tried so hard but need to show that you're my every dream. Yet you're afraid this thing I do. Yes, I'm even scared. A memory from your lonesome past keep us so far apart. Why can't I free your doubtful mind and live so cold? Another love before my time met your hotel and blue. And so my heart is begging for things I didn't do. In anger, unkind words I said makes the teardrops come. Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold heart? All right. It hurts to see you cry. You know you need and want my love, but you're afraid to try. Why do you run and hide from life to try and just aspire? Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold heart? There was a time when I believed that you belonged to me, but now I know my heart's been shackled to a memory. The more I learn to care for you, the more we drift apart. Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold heart? Why can't I free your doubtful mind